Welcome to Bobbi Jo. So I'm going to try this copycat keto Wendy's Frosty recipe. See how it turns out. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and also 5 drops of liquid stevia is in here. Tablespoon of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And you're going to need your hand mixer, or you can do this in your KitchenAid. I just didn't want to get my KitchenAid out. I'm going to just do it in my hand mixer. So you're going to start off by pouring your whipping cream in your bowl. You're going to whip it until it starts to form soft peaks. See how that forms? Well, they're not quite peaks yet, but we're going to go ahead and add in the rest. We're going to add in the vanilla, almond butter, and you're going to want to mix in this, because if you don't mix in the cocoa powder, it's going to go everywhere when you turn on that mixer. So go ahead and mix it in some. Hopefully we don't have powder fly everywhere now. We're going to continue mixing this. It should be like a thick chocolatey whipped cream. All right. Now it called for almond butter, and a real Frosty doesn't have almond butter, but I didn't think almond butter couldn't make it any worse because chocolate and peanut butter go great together. Okay, so I'm going to stick this in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back. I've got this Glad press and seal stuff. I got this from my in-laws' house when I was cleaning out the kitchen. I've never used it until I used it at their house, and I love this stuff. It just it's a whole lot better than just regular plastic wrap because it sticks to the sides of your bowl good. Okay, we're gonna stick this in the freezer. Be back in a few minutes. Okay, it hadn't been quite 30 minutes. It's been about 20. Because Steve's impatient. All right, so it says stir it to get it to a soft serve consistency. All right, so I got our pretty little china cups here because I know it's not going to be a very large serving. When we moved into this house, there was a lot of stuff still in it, along with this china hutch with all this china that belonged to my in-laws. My mother-in-law got it when she got married, and she says, I never have even used that stuff. Will you just keep it for me? So we kept it for her, and we still got it. I don't know what he's barking at. All right, I think it just needs to be stirred a little. It's thick like a Frosty.
Very good. That's got a good peanut butter chocolate. Yeah, it's good.
Is it comparable to a Frosty, or?
Texture wise, it's smoother than a Frosty because a Frosty always has like those little milk crystals or ice crystals in it.
Well, this is supposed to have that when you got it for 30 minutes in there, but we took it out at 20.
It's smoother.
It's probably because we put the almond butter in it.
Yeah.
That's probably why that was in the but I figured it wouldn't hurt it.
Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
This scratches that chocolate treat itch.
All right. So 2 thumbs up and drool worthy.
Drool worthy.
All right. Thank you for your review.
You're welcome.